Edgefactor inspires, prepares, and connects students on their career journeys. Increase self-awareness through personalized career exploration experiences using gamified tools and interactive surveys to identify their interests. Help students set achievable goals through self-discovery with story-driven media and activities, providing the guidance and support needed to explore different career pathways. Prepare students for life after high school by teaching essential skills like financial literacy, communication, teamwork, and so much more. Aligned with curriculum standards, our educator-created content brings lessons to life to ensure students stay engaged and motivated. Additionally, Edgefactor enhances awareness of internships, apprenticeships, and technical education programs through success stories that showcase the value of hands-on learning. Empower your students to explore their interests and discover rewarding careers. Explore Edgefactor today.